Government of Kenya, Wilson Mukula Masukuli, Josephat Mukula Masukuli, Robinson Michael Mukula Masukuli, Justus Masesi Ukoli Sikoli, Ian Ombisa Ukoli Masukuli, Clinton Nabuga Ukoli Masukuli, Jenai Marongo, Edmond Ogocho, Richard Omutu Mose, maelezo ni mnamo tarehe 7 mwezi wa 7 mwaka huu Mwembe, area ambayo inapatikana Kisii Central Sub-County, kaunti ya Kisii, nyinyi mkiwa na wengine wako kotini pamoja kwa kinyume na sheria. Kwa kupenda na kwa kinyume na sheria mliweza kuharibu windscreen, mkaribu headlights, zote zilikuwa za dhamana ya shilingi 50,000 za gari ambayo ni ya serikali. Registration number ya gari ni GKK 448G Toyota Land Cruiser. The property hiyo gari ilikuwa ni ya government of Kenya. Niko na masiku kwa shema ya
following reasons, Your Honor, having read the charge sheet and the account, you realize that most of the accused presented before you are students in the colleges and universities within town, and it will be fair, Your Honor, that they be granted or rather be treated favorably with the court and the printed approval, Your Honor. As we shall be shown in the court, we have also established that these are not people who are by risk. They are people intended to appear court, as they are done today, having been arrested. Considering the fact also that they were never given bond, the police station, when we appeared there on Saturday morning, Your Honor. They have been in custody since privately. Some of the accused persons, Your Honor, are also in there, having gotten injuries during the same demonstrations that were conducted on Friday. I mean, not necessarily that they did their part with, some of them were bystanders in the incidents, Your Honor. We plead with you to consider the circumstances under which the accused persons were arrested and exercise your discretion, Your Honor. Grant them a free bond. They intend to appear before you and pursue this charge. From the charge sheet, Your Honor, we realize that all the 29 accused persons have been associated with count 1, that is unlawful sin. Whereas not all of them have been associated with the other counts. Since this has been brought under one charge, we do pray, Your Honor, that you do admit all the accused persons to such a free bond as we have explained before. It is the right, and also it is your discretion to grant and set bond. We rest that.
no bond is a right to any accused person. Bond must be given considering all the circumstances and the factors of the case. I've had counsel for the accused persons that in the case to grant free bond to all the accused persons based on the ground that most of them are
students, and some of them are aiming, as stated by the prosecution of the case, but that evidence has not been brought before the court. And the fact that they are students does not guarantee that they are not affected. So even if I had the evidence that most of the accused persons are not all students, that does not guarantee granting of approval. I have considered the charges that are before court. These are not light offences, especially considering the value of the property allegedly damaged by some of the accused persons. I will therefore be desiring the application to grant the accused persons a free bond and give them what I consider to be reasonable bond. With regard to the 23rd accused person, who to me really appears to be a minor, but that remains to be confirmed by an age assessment. He is the only person I'll be granting a free bond, but he will be granted that with one contact person who will need to avail his or her ID to guarantee that the subject will be available when needed. So with regard to all the other accused persons, 1 to 22 and 24 to 27, they are granted a cash bail of 30,000 shillings plus one contact person each. 30,000 shillings cash bail plus one contact person each. With regard to accused number 1, 6, 12, 19, and 26, who I'm told were injured, they shall be accorded treatment. The matter will be mentioned on the 24th of this month for pre-trial directions. Hearing will be on the 30th of October. The 23rd subject will be remanded at Manga and will be subjected to an age assessment.
Kwa kinyume na sheria mliweza kufanya furugu. Maelezo ni hayo mnamo tarehe 7 mwezi wa 7 mwaka huu huko Kisii Township, Kisii Central Sub-County, kaunti ya Kisii. Ninyi mkiwa pamoja na wengine wako hapa kotini mliweza kufanya maandamano. Ni ukweli ama si ukweli?
Si ukweli.